Good day guys, how are you all doing today? So this is African trading hairstyle, but I didn't want it to be so simple. I just wanted to make it a little bit more fancy. So I decided to use kinky hair and then the Brazilian wool extension to thread this hairstyle on my baby girl. Olivia's hair is really short or not that long, so I used the kinky hair to braid to where the length of her hair stops, and then I pick either 2 or 1 pieces of the Brazilian wool extension and then I'll start threading with it. And that is exactly what I'm doing in this video, as you can see. The only difference is that when I get to the end, almost the end of this, or when I thread to almost the end of the kinky hair, I stop there and then secure it with the Brazilian wool. All this explanation I just gave, I'm just going to do it right now. As you can see, I'm trying to braid it with the kinky hair, even though Olivia will not stay in one place. But after braiding to where the length of her hair stops, I then pick 2 Brazilian wool or 1, whichever one you prefer. Use it to start threading the hair, just like I'm doing in this video. You're just going to thread till you get to the end of the kinky extension. So in case while you're threading the Brazilian wool finishes, you can just pick another one and start from where you stopped, and then continue threading until you get to where you want to stop, depending on the length you want this hairstyle to be. So for my baby's own, the weather is really hot, so I'm going to pack it up. So the kinky hair I'm leaving will just serve as afro hair, or it will just look like a natural hair. And one thing I love about this hairstyle is a protective hairstyle, and it will also last for your child. My baby has been wearing her own for 2 weeks now, and in case this hairstyle gets old, you can still refresh it or make it look new. In case you would love to know how to do that, I did a live video on how you can just revamp or turn your old hair into new hair, and I used this exact hairstyle to do that. So my baby is still wearing it and it still looks neat because I did it like I renewed it. So this is the before and the after of the hair after I made the hair from old to new. And if you would love to know how I was able to do that, you can just check out my live video in my YouTube channel and you'll find it. So right now I'm just chopping off the excesses from the Brazilian wool. That is exactly so what once I was done cutting, this is actually the last one I'm going to be making. This hair has been a really stressful one. This girl will not stay in one place. This girl was just playing with me during the time I was making this hairstyle, but I was able to pull it off and it was nice. It was really great. And this was actually my first time of trying this kind of hairstyle, this trading hairstyle, and it came out really nice. I loved it, and I know that the next time I'll be making it, it will come out better. In case you would love to try this hairstyle, just try not to put much pressure on the baby's scalp, because this hairstyle can be really painful. But if you don't put pressure, it will not be painful for the child, and the child will be able to sleep very well. So right now I'm just putting it in this ponytail. Way, or I don't know how to put it, and that is how I was aiming to put it from the beginning of the hairstyle. Just in case you want to leave your child's own, you have to just make it short. Just make the hair a little bit shorter than this one, and it will also come out nice. So you can either leave it like this, or you can actually either pack it like this or leave it without packing it. It depends on your preference. So do you? Yeah, so I'm just done, and I'm just going to hold it down with this Brazilian wool, secure it so that it will not loose, because one, the weather is really hot and my baby also loves to drag her hair. So this little ones you're seeing at the front is just little hair I just made, or I just braided little hair and just added beads so that it will not be too, I don't know, it will not be just there. I just wanted something to make it a little bit fancy, you know. But yeah, I love this hairstyle so much, and I've been able to change it from, like, after she wore it for 2 weeks, it got a little bit old and we wanted to go to church, so I had to make it new. And that is one thing I love about this hairstyle. I was able to recreate it into something beautiful and even better than when I created it new. And I hope you were able to find this video helpful. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. God bless you, and I hope you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will mean a lot. You can also like this video or even leave a comment. Thank you, and God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. We are dedicated to what we do. Though we are not perfect, but we are working towards perfection. Dreams are within.